never choose to make any sounds that sound like people talking. These two are the exception to the rule, and I'm gonna let Ellen tell you all about them.
Oh, well, thanks for that introduction, Ari. Hi, everybody. Like Ari said, my name is Ellen, and these two beautiful girls are Amazon Parrots. You want to say hello? Oh, very nice. Yeah, there's a little bit of the mimicry that Ari was talking about. Just copying what I'm saying, but these two girls have done some really, really cool things, too. How about your Molly? Molly? Yeah, so we got Molly in the front there. And then what's your name?
Gabriella.
Gabriella, but she goes by Gabby for short. Very cute. Kind of like sisters, but they are two different kinds of Amazon parrots. But they've done some really, really cool things. How about we show off a little bit? You want to call the kitty? Oh, that's so cute. Very nice. Yeah. Maybe not the best idea for a parrot to call a kitty, but I still think it's really awesome. What was that? Yes, that was very, very good. Yeah, but hey, we know some songs too. Molly, do you want to show your song? How about the farm?
Oh my God, I'm the farm.
Yeah! Very, very sweet.
A lot of ducks.
Yeah.
A lot of ducks.
Yes, yes, that was very good. Gabby, you have a song too, right? You want to sing? Let's
You
sing.
are my only one. You make me happy. You're great. You'll never know, dear, how much I love. So please don't take my dear sunshine away.
Very nice of you, Molly. Cheering on your sister too. Yeah. Okay, they do have a duet. Do you guys want to hear their duet?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. You want to turn around this way? Yeah. Oh, I love you too. Thank you so much. All right, let's see if we can sing in Spanish. You want to sing in Spanish? Ooh, that's a nice start. You sing in Spanish?
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. Do you have a mouthful of food right now?
I love you.
Yes. Yep, I love you too. Very nice. How about we sing in Spanish?